Hey guys, what's going on? Joseph Vollmer here. Hopefully you can hear me okay. The microphone's working and the camera hasn't died yet. Nope, camera's still recording. Good deal. So, first test ride since I got all the work done on the bike. I can honestly say she's running damn good. We're cruising at, bringing her up to 80 right now, just see where my RPMs are with the new tire. We're about 80 mile an hour on the speedometer. I am about 30, I don't know if you can see that, 3400 RPM. So not quite as low as I'd hoped for, but I'm not going to complain about that. That's definitely brought my highway RPM down quite a bit. I am only running 34 psi, I think I set the tire at, the rear tire. And I will say it definitely had some squat to it sitting on the lift. So it's actually nice to be back on the bike, even though it's what, I think November 19th today, or November 20th, I don't know. About probably 50 some degrees out here, so it's definitely not cold by any stretch of the imagination for this time of the year in Missouri. Hey, do me a favor, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you have, hit that notification bell, and do me a favor and share this video with your friends. Now I can tell you right now, the bike is running really smooth and really nice, and I'm actually, it feels a hell of a lot better than it has. And I'm not getting the the torque to one side during under acceleration that I was before. It was real slight. I mean, it wasn't bad. I could definitely feel it before, and I'm not feeling it now, which is a good thing. And she's got plenty of power. So, and that clock's an hour off, by the way. Kind of threw me for a loop there. I am, however, going to stop here at the station. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, Beth. I'm going to stop here at the station and top it off with some premium, just because the fuel in the tank right now is a little scratch there going on the downshift. The fuel in the tank is like 3.5 months old, so can definitely hear the tire squeaking coming around the corner. Wow. I don't know if you guys caught that, but that was a 2-to-1 downshift. I will say, holy snot. I'm gonna have to get used to the shifter now. Kudos and a shout out to the guys at Shifter Buddy. Yep, okay, still recording. Anyway, kudos and a shout out to the guys at Shifter Buddy. Check them out on Facebook. Just get on Facebook, search for the group Shifter Buddy. You'll find them. Send them a message. You'll have to join the group and then send them a message if you're interested, and they will send you the ordering information. Man, I can tell you this thing makes one heck of a difference. I've ridden this bike so much, I'm used to there being a lag time in the shift. You know, it basically having a lot more play I'm used to the play in the shifter pedal. So I've gotten used to, when I'm shifting quick, I'm starting to pull the shift pedal up before I get the clutch all the way in. And as I just realized, coming down that entrance ramp, I am going to have to change that because it was actually going, it was engaging the gears before the clutch had completely released, and that's a little, I don't want to do that because that'll be a little rough on the transmission. Not that you can't do that, because I'm going to get somebody in the comments, but yeah, long term that's not going to do your transmission any good, so I'm going to have to change my way of doing that. But other than that, man, that thing, it is precise, very, very, I mean, it easily took 50% of the movement out of the shift pedal, if not more than that. I mean, it's just a light touch and click, it goes right into the next gear. It's not getting, you know, I'm not getting, especially first to second, there's always been, and I know the Valkyries are bad for this, you always get a little bit of a clunk, especially on a quick shift since you're going through neutral, and it has taken a lot of that out. And we're cruising right now, holy sheesh. I was cruising at like 85 and not realizing it because I'm so used to listening to the sound of the engine and the RPMs are down, and this thing is cruising nice and smooth even at 85. So the rear tire actually feels really good too. I don't feel that for a brand new dark side tire, I guess it has enough of a rounded profile that I don't feel that initial rollover that I was originally getting with the 205/65 I had on here, that Firestone All Season. And for any of you that are interested, check out the card right up here. This is a Firestone Transforce CV. There's a link to the video where I mounted it. The balance beads seem to be working well. I don't feel any vibration in the rear end of the bike. We threw roughly 3 ounces of beads in the tire. Cannot complain a bit about what we got going on here. So we're just tooting right along. God, it feels good to be back on the bike. How's it sound, guys? Can you hear it? Alrighty, I think we'll take that. We'll just get in right here. Come on, blinker. I will say cornering is it's effortless. Oh wow, 3,500 RPM, I'm doing 85 mile an hour. That's not a bad cruise. I knock her down to 80. We're holding right about 80 and yeah, about 33. Give or take a little bit. 33, 34. So for that kind of a cruise, that's not bad. The bike's riding real nice over the bridge bumps. I don't feel a lot of the rear end feels a hell of a lot better. If you notice me leaning a little bit, we've got a bit of wind this morning. Anyway, guys, I don't know where I'm going to cut this video off, but thanks for watching. Please don't forget, comment, rate, subscribe, share this video, and you know, don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it, do a little bit of the work yourself, and you know, yeah, I could have taken the bike to the dealer and had them fix it all up for me and probably had it back faster. I don't know. My local Honda dealer's been a little slow this year, so as far as work times, holy cow, slow down. But I got it all done myself. I probably saved a boatload of money and labor. I learned quite a bit and hopefully was able to bring you guys some good content where maybe you can learn something or not necessarily be afraid to tackle this job yourself. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, guys.